my channel. I'm literally just getting in the house from work. It is 2:51. I've literally been here at least 10 minutes, just long enough to pick this camera up and talk to y'all because I realized I hadn't seen y'all since my trip. I hadn't seen you since I've been back, so here I am. I went outside though. Well, I was outside before I came in. I was tinkering with my lawnmower and I said, let me ask the girls, since everybody online, they tend to know everything. But I cannot get my lawnmower to crank up. And I know it's from being stored through the winter months. What, it's only been about 4 or 5 months, maybe 6. I feel like I used it in November. I know I used it in November. I definitely used it in November because that was my last mow of the, of the fall season. I mowed at the beginning. And I hadn't cranked it up since. So right now I'm having issues getting it started. I cannot get it started. I performed a gas treatment. I poured a can of that in there. Well, half the can. That didn't work. And I changed the filter on it. That didn't do anything for me either. So I don't know. I might have to take it to one of those small engine repairs. Though I have been looking at YouTube videos here briefly on how to get this lawnmower to start. And a lot of them say that I got to take it apart and do a little of this and a little of that. Really don't want to do all of that. Can I do it? Absolutely, but I don't want to. I feel like I did enough of that last summer, and I don't want to go into my summer and then into my fall being a super handyman. I want to relax a little bit, though we still have a few more handyman projects to tackle. There's still quite a few painting projects left that are upstairs. I still got to do some painting in the purse room. Yeah. I finished getting that all together to my liking because that's going to be like the cloffice where I'll go and sit, relax, edit, and I'll eventually get a TV to go in there on the wall. And yeah, it'll be like a full-on cloffice and beauty room area. So I'm excited to start that this summer because that's what I'll be working on for sure. But I got to get the battery for my spray paint gun. And yeah, that's going to be a breeze once we get the spray gun tackled. But yeah, girl, I had a good time in Mexico with the girls. I can't wait for our next trip. Hopefully it'll be somewhere fun and beautiful with a beach. I am so looking forward to that. That was a much needed. Can y'all see me? Let me cut on some light. Let me turn the switch on. Much needed vacation. I had a ball, y'all. I had an absolute ball. Girl. I hope the videos weren't too overwhelming. I know I didn't make them long, but I wanted you to really experience my experience somewhat. And I had a lot of time where I wasn't vlogging. I couldn't believe I really had that much footage because I was totally immersed in the trip. I didn't really feel like I did a whole lot of vlogging, but I got a lot of footage and it was nice. I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased with my experience. 10 out of 10. Barney's, the place where we stayed, was beautiful. It was definitely different, on the artsy side, but it was definitely beautiful. Highly recommend. The link to that place was in the description bar. I have it linked down below for you as well, so you can check it out. But it was definitely cute. It was a vlog worthy and creator worthy experience. So many cute places to create content and take photos. It was very nice. We definitely took advantage of the place. It was very beautiful. But yeah, girl, other than that, girl, I just been relaxing and get my mind right. Because of course, I had to return to work as soon as I got back. Like we landed, I went to bed and had to be at work bright and early the next day. We hit the ground running. But it was well worth it though. It was well worth it. So the last time we actually talked, I did some spring shopping. We got this flower spray. Because this style arrangement, from what I've been seeing online and Googling, because I wanted to find the links for you guys for this one, because I had 2 people actually DM me and ask me if I could find a link, but I was never really able to find a sales link. But I did find out that this was a spray. They were calling this a spray, and it's from the Martha Stewart Home collection, and I'll have the name of it down below. But it is so gorgeous, so definitely check out TJ Maxx for these stems. And I think this is like three stems. Yeah, it was like $24. So pretty. I want another one actually, but I don't know if I want the same thing or something else, because it has to be kind of shorter to go on my bar area in the kitchen. I want something there, something springy in there. And we did pick up that, let me take off my coats. It is so chilly here. I feel like my nose is gonna start running. This Alabama weather is nuts. We go from one day is 80 degrees, and then the next we are facing freezing temperatures. I need to hang this up. I really need some place to hang things. We're just gonna set this right here on the chair for now. Don't get too mad at me. Y'all know my place is lived in. The planter, let me show you that. This is what I'm thinking for that. I have it over here. I keep forgetting to cut us some lights on. So I have it over here. This is the planter that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Girl, it is so nice. Now this is a dupe for a popular planter that all the home decor girlies are picking up from Amazon and CB2 and Restoration Hardware. But I think theirs are the actual cement ones. This was more like a plastic one, but nonetheless it's still pretty. It still has the plastic. Let me take the plastic off. I literally have not taken the plastic off because I haven't had time and I haven't really been thinking about this. Because really and truly, I bought this 2 days before. No, actually, yeah, I think it was 2 days before I left for the trip, and I hadn't thought about it since. So, okay. So now, with the plastic off, you can see what it looks like. You can see the texture better. Can you see it? It is so nice. But it's $44.99, 40% off Hobby Lobby. They had so many beautiful styles, so many of the popular designer-esque pots. Hobby Lobby has them, and they're still 40% off. But yeah, I haven't messed with it, but yesterday I did put some stuff in it because I know that you kind of have to pack it to put your plant in it. Now you can put your live plants in it or faux plants. I'm going to do a faux plant. Faux plants are more my speed. I do like live plants. I have one. I have one live plant in my sunroom, but I'm not trying to be a plant mom. But yeah, that's where I think I want it. I'm still trying to decide what type of plant or tree that I want in it. I have Some call them banana leaf trees. Some people call these bird of paradise trees. I really like that, even though everybody's going with the olive trees. I have an olive tree in my bedroom. I like it. And to be honest, I really went with that one because it was trendy. And I really do like the way it looks in my bedroom. Now, I feel like that's a perfect fit for the bedroom, the olive tree. But I like this. I love the greenery on this. I love those large leaves. It just gives like a tropical and more designer look to me, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. That's just what I like. I'm just telling you what I like. But let's grab one and see how we like it in there. I want it to be kind of tall though. But these that I have, these are like 4.8. And I got those from Hobby Lobby. But you can pick those up from Amazon as well. Because if I decide to get another bird of paradise tree, I'm going to grab it from Amazon. Because I've been looking at them. And if I order today, I think I got like an hour or two left to get it Friday. So that's probably what we'll do. So I'm going to just move some plants around because, you know, I like to use what I got in my space and shop my space when I'm trying to get decor ideas to see what it is that I like before I commit to buying something. Does that make sense? Because I don't like taking stuff back. I don't like the hassle of doing all of that. But I'm going to grab a tree. I have a faux tree in the sunroom. And we're going to grab one of these out of the living room. And we're going to see which one we like best. All right. Okay, so because this tree is kind of already perfectly set up, I don't know. I'm not going to take it out of its pot. I'm going to sit the whole thing down. I think this one is like a 4-foot tree. We're just trying to get an idea of what we like. Okay, so that's that. It's just sitting in there. Don't judge it. It's just leaning kind of against the wall because of the stuff that I have packed in there. I gotta straighten that up and make it work. That's okay. I like the height. It's okay. Let's sit back. It's okay. And to me, that's how all these trees be looking when I see them in these cute pots. They just look like a little Charlie Brown Christmas tree. But this one, to me, is cute in the smaller pot and in my sunroom. I absolutely love, love, love this tree, but not for this space. You know what I mean? I don't think, I like it. I do. Who knows? We might just switch them out from time to time. But let's see what the bird of paradise looks like. But y'all help me decide. And in my head, the olive tree kind of looks like this as well. It just has like a more almond-y shape leaf. Of course, with the actual little olives on it. Yeah, so the leaves are more of a pointy, longer pointy shape. But I like that though. What you think? Okay, so this is the texture of the planter. It's kind of giving cement. I do like it. Now let's try it with the bird of paradise. This one's cool. It's cool. I like it. We just have to fluff the branches. Just fluff them. But I like it. It works. It definitely works. And you just fluff around the top of it and put more of the moss. Now the moss, I do get it from Amazon as well. It's like $3.99 or either $4.99 a pack. And one pack goes a long way because I was able to fill this pot as well as the pot in my bedroom. But that doesn't look bad though. It doesn't. I cannot wait to get finished with this area. I got some ideas of what I want to do for this, but y'all know it takes time and it takes money. But girl, we'll get it done. Okay, but that's that. Let me grab the other tree. All right, now for the bird of paradise. I want to give this a little more height though. We gotta put something else in there, but you get the idea. We'll have to pack it. We'll put a wig box in there. But how do we like it? See, it's the big leaves for me. It just gives drama. And I like that. I like this one. But of course, like I said, we got to put a couple of more stacks in it to make it a little higher. Though I probably would get a 5 foot because this is a 4 foot. Then that's going to give us a little more. And then we pack one more item in there. Put our paper around it. Put our moss on it. And then she's giving. Then fluff the leaves out. Let me do some fluffing and arrangement real quick. Well, let me know which one you like best. Which one are you feeling more? The tree that everybody's using, the style tree that everybody uses. But there are quite a few people that use a more of a sprawling tree. I'm real funny about these curtains. Whatever. But you get it. You get it. How do we feel? We need to do some more zhuzhing, but which one? I don't know. Which one? Which one? Which one? I don't know. It's done slumped over, but you get the idea. We'll perfect it, but which one do you like? Let me know. All right, so for some side-by-side action, which would you prefer? I like it. The cute little tree that we can put anywhere, or do we want? Let me know down below in that comments area, which would you choose? Bird of Paradise just gives me all the drama. It just gives drama. I don't know, guys. Which one would you pick? Let me know down below because I'm going to get this video up so I can get you guys' opinion today because I want to order today. Okay? I don't know. I don't know. I really like them both now. I don't know. I'm stumped.